Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindan.
Friends, just think of his wives, whose hands he has accepted. How they must have undergone vows, baths, fire sacrifices, and perfect worship of the Lord of the universe to constantly relish now the nectar from his lips by kissing. The damsels of Rajabhumi would often faint just by expecting such favours. Religious rites prescribed in the scriptures are meant to purify the mundane qualities of the conditioned souls, to enable them to be gradually promoted to the stage of rendering transcendental service unto the Supreme Lord. Attainment of this stage of pure spiritual life is the highest perfection, and this stage is called Svarup, or the factual identity of the living being. Liberation means renovation of this stage of Svarup. In that perfect stage of Svarup, the living being is established in 5 phases of loving service, one of which is the stage of Madhurya Ras, or the humour of conjugal love. The Lord is always perfect in himself, and thus he has no hankering for himself. He, however, becomes a master, a friend, a son or a husband to fulfill the intense love of the devotee concerned. Herein 2 classes of devotees of the Lord are mentioned in the stage of conjugal love. One is Svakiya, and the other is Parakiya. Both of them are in conjugal love with the personality of Godhead Krishna. The queens at Dvaraka were Svakiya, or duly married wives, but the damsels of Raja were young friends of the Lord while he was unmarried. The Lord stayed at Vrindavan till the age of 16, and his friendly relations with the neighbouring girls were in terms of Parakiya. These girls, as well as the queens, underwent severe penances by taking vows, bathing and offering sacrifices in the fire, as prescribed in the scriptures. The rites, as they are not an end in themselves, nor are fruitive action, culture of knowledge, or perfection in mystic powers ends in themselves. They are all means to attain to the highest stage of Svarup, to render constitutional transcendental service to the Lord. Each and every living being has his individual position in one of the above-mentioned 5 different kinds of reciprocating means with the Lord, and in one's pure spiritual form of Svarup the relation becomes manifest without mundane affinity. The kissing of the Lord, either by his wives or his young girl friends who aspired to have the Lord as their fiancé, is not of any mundane perverted quality. Had such things been mundane, a liberated soul like Shukdev would not have taken the trouble to relish them, nor would Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu have been inclined to participate in those subjects after renouncing worldly life. The stage is earned after many lives of penance.